Hi guys, good morning. My name is Mashwa Kamila Majati Sharudin. Today I'm going to presentation. In this case study, we will analyze the morphological structural of the word unbelievableness. Well, identify its morphemes, explain their types, and explore how derivational and inflectional process interact. Will be continue the presentation. So the next slide is the table. So as you can see guys, this table many examples at there, and I will explain it for simple points for you guys. Okay, I will explain it. Morpheme breakdown. The word unbelievableness consists of 4 morphemes. Un become as a negative prefix, believe as the root, able as an adjective forming suffix, and ness as a noun forming suffix. All of these are bone or free derivational morphemes. They are non-inflectional elements. This slide explains it about non-inflectional morpheme is involved. All are derivational because each affix changes either the meaning or the grammatical category of word. The next slide is number 2, morphological tree diagram. As you can see, this example tree diagram, derivational sequence. Number 1, root, believe or fee or verb. Number 2, able, become believable or adjective. Number 3, un, become unbelievable or adjective or negative. And the last is ness, unbelievableness or noun. I will explain it about morphological tree for this slide. Here's the morphological tree. The best is believe or a verb. We first add able to from believable or adjective, then un to create unbelievable, and finally ness to form the noun unbelievableness. Each step transforms the grammatical category. The next slide is number 3, interaction of derivational process or process interactions. As you can see, many explain it about this slide, right? And I will explain it about simple points for you guys. Okay, about these slides are process interactions. Following Engia Putri et al. 2025, derivation is hierarchical. Each affix attached to the proper word, class, creating layered meaning. This word shows how morphology builds complexity from an action to a quality and finally to a state or concept. Okay, for these slides, I will read more from by myself as Alfianita et al. 2024 explain the process of affixation and composition and rich meaning and lexical variety. In this case, morphology shows how affixes progressively refine the concept from an action or belief to a quality or believable to a state for unbelievableness. Thus, Unbelievable demonstrates derivational layering, not simple linear attachment. Its effects depends on the grammatical category created by the previous one. So the next slide is number 4, theoretical support. And as you can see, this is the table and many example, guys. And the next slide, and I will explain it about this slide for simple points. Theoretical justification. According to Kerr 2010 and Katamba 2015, morphology studies the smallest meaningful units and their grammatical functions. Unbelievableness is a perfect example of how derivation changes both form and meaning systematically. For the next slide is conclusion. In conclusion, unbelievableness is formed entirely through derivational morphology. It demonstrates how affections interacts with meaning, producing a complex yet precise expression of the state of being unbelievable. As you can see, for the next slide is bibliography or reference for you, and you want to know that reference, you can see this slide. And then for the next slides, it's there too. So this is my presentation today. Thank you for watching and see you guys. Bye.